Right, well, good morning, guys. Hope all of you have had a fantastic week. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, you may want to go back to the very first chapter, the very first video rather, which is Genesis chapter 1. Here on this channel, we are simply reading the King James Version of the Holy Bible, a chapter a day, a chapter at a time. So, we're actually on Genesis chapter 10 now. So if you want to go ahead and get your Bibles out to follow along, go ahead and do that. If you don't want to follow along, please just simply watch the video. Listen to me read it. So that's perfectly okay. All right. So, like I said, we're going to be reading from Genesis chapter 10 today. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please remember to do that. Also, remember to ring that notification bell so you get notified each and every time we upload a brand new video. And then, if you wouldn't care, give me a great big thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. All right, so let's get started reading. Now these are the generations of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and unto them were sons born after the flood. The sons of Japheth, Gomer, and Magog, and Madai, and Javan, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tiras. And the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Riphath, and Togarmah. Now guys, I probably mispronounced some of those words, so I apologize if I did. And the sons of Javan, Elishah, and Tarshish, Kittim, and Dodanim. By these were the isles of Gentiles divided in their lands, every one after his tongue, after their families, in their nations. And the sons of Ham, Cush, and Mizraim, and Phut, and Canaan. And the sons of Cush, Seba, and Havilah, and Sabtah, and Raamah, and Sabtechah. And the sons of Raamah, Sheba, and Dedan. And Cush begat Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one in the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod, the mighty hunter before the Lord. And the beginning of his kingdom was Babel, and Erech, and Akkad, and Calneh, and the land of Shinar. Out of that land went forth Ashur, and he builded Nineveh, the city of Rehoboth, and Calah. And risen between Nineveh and Calah, the same is a great city. And Mizraim begat Ludim, and Anamim, and Luhabim, and Nephutim, and Pathruzim, and Kasuhim, out of whom Philstim, and Captorim. Again, like I said, guys, I'm going to mispronounce a lot of these words. There's some difficult words to pronounce. I apologize. And Canaan begat Dedan, his firstborn, and Heth, and the Jebusite, and Amorite, and the Girgasite, and the Havite, and the Arkite, and the Sinite, and the Arvadite, and the Zemarite, and the Hamathite. And afterward were the families of Canaanites spread abroad. And the border of the Canaanites was from Sidon, and thou comest to Gerar unto Gaza, as thou goest unto Sodom, and Gomorrah, and Adam, and Zeboim, even unto Lasha. These are the sons of Ham, and after their families, after their tongues, in their countries and in their nations. Unto Shem also, the father of all the children of Eber. the brother of Japheth, the elder, even to him were children born. The children of Shem, Elam, and Ashur, and Arphaxad, and Lud, and Aram. And the children of Aram, Uz, and Hul, and Gether, and Mash. And Arphaxad began Salah, and Salah begat Eber. And unto Eber were born 2 sons. The name of one was Peleg, for his days was the earth divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. And Joktan begat Almodad, and Shelef, and Hazarmaveth, and Jerah, and Hadoram, and Uzal, and Diklah, and Obal, and Abimil, and Sheba, and Ophir, and Havilah, and Jabab. All of these were the sons of Joktan. And their dwelling was with Meshech, as though thou goest unto Sephar, a mount of the east. These are the sons of Shem, after their families, after their tongues, in their lands and their nations. These are the families of the sons of Noah, after their generations, in their nations. And by these were the nations divided in the earth after the flood. All right, guys, so that concludes the reading of Genesis chapter 10. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Join us tomorrow for the reading of Genesis chapter 11. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do that. Also, remember to ring that notification bell so you get notified each and every time we upload a brand new video. I love each and every one of you guys, and until the next video, you guys please take care.